And so here's the numbers. I put them in a Word doc. So the first one was $5 residual, would mean you need 600 personally sponsored, okay, to hit $3,000 a month in that first compensation plan. The second one was $707.50. You need 400 personally sponsored and 20,000 leads to do it. And then the third one with the $20 per month, we're getting a little bit better there, right? You need 150 personally sponsored and 7,500 leads. So a lot of people are out there on the internet, they're like wondering why they're not making money. And you're going through your compensation plan and you're like, I'm only making, there's some people who only make $1 per person. So we're looking at hundreds of thousands of leads to do that, right? Whereas this one is a little bit better. You're getting down there, 7,500 leads. So a lot of people, they come to me and they're like, why am I not making a lot of money? And I say, how many leads do you have? And they're like, I got like 10 leads, right? Or I got 100 leads, right? They're not anywhere close. Even at a $20 price point, they're not anywhere close to where they need to be. So now, on this page, I'm going to show you a program that pays out 80% commissions. And let me show you the math on that. So our company has this right here. This is the math for our company. And we're going to continue this formula, but I just wanted to show you a counter example of something that can get you to your goals faster. So right here, as you can see, it's a $150 price point because the HBA funnel builder is 25 and this is 125, so 150 total. So up here, these are all $150 price points as well. Same price points, right? This one's a little bit less, 100. But this one, same price, so the customer's still paying the same amount of money, but here's the difference. You make 120 residual per member, which means you only need 25 active people, and that will hit you $3,000 a month. You only need 100 or 1,250 leads instead of, what was the best example here? 7,500 leads, right? And 4,167 real visitors will lead to those leads. That's the example of doing the math on your own. Now, the beautiful thing is the products that we have in our company, they work with all these other ones. So technically, you could use our products to build these different programs that pay less, and you can do them together. And we'll talk about that here in a minute. But what's cool about that is when you do that, so let's say you're making $5 per person residually. Normally it would take you 600, but if you combine it with our products, you just added 120 on top of that. So now you're at $125 a person. So now you're looking at even less than 25 people to hit 3,000 a month. So that's a powerful concept as well. So that's just the math in an example of what we've got here on this page for you. So let's continue our formula. And right here, so part 3 of the formula is having a sales system and the tools that you need to build a business. A lot of those other companies, the ones that I showed you, they provide you with tools and sometimes systems and things, but they don't work. They're usually thousands of people using them. They're not converting. And again, it takes a lot more people to make money with them. What you need is you need a website and funnel builder tool to build websites on demand, as well as to import done for you websites. And a lot of these out there in the marketplace, they actually cost anywhere from $100 to $300 a month to get a website and funnel builder tool. So a lot of average people don't ever buy them because they just say, oh, my company gives me my websites and tools, and they just forget about what they actually need to build a successful business. Well, here, ours is $25 for the website and funnel builder. So now you also need a high paying affiliate program in combination with your lower paying programs. So if you're out there building a program already, just know that our affiliate program here on this page pays out 80% commissions, and you can combine it because of what our products are. You can use them for whatever you're building. So for example, We have a website builder that you can use to build any company on the internet. We have marketing, coaching, and training that will help you in whatever you are building. So with that being said, you also need an autoresponder, a way to follow up with leads. If you're not following up with leads, you're just doing one and done marketing. That's the problem with old school marketing, is they usually just go door to door, or they'll call their friends and family and they'll tell them about a business one time and then they're done. Well, with online marketing, you generate leads and you build an email list and you're able to market and advertise to them for the rest of time. So you need a way to do that. And on this page, we're going to give you a solution for that. You also need marketing training that actually works, and that is working now. The problem with all these companies is all they're telling you to do is bother friends and family. That's it. They're like, talk to friends and family, talk to friends and family. Everybody needs our product. That's a problem because they're not teaching you effective online marketing. In fact, I was a part of a company where I was doing really well and I was marketing my business on Craigslist, right? And I was literally generating leads on demand, just super easily and fast. And we would talk to these leads, they would join the business, and I made $20,000 from Craigslist in 60 days with that company. One day out of the blue, they called me up and they said, hey, we don't like the way you're marketing. We don't want our business promoted on Craigslist. So we're cutting your pay by 60%. And you're no longer going to get this normal compensation plan. You're going to get cut in 60%. And we're going to do it for your entire team as well. And I kid you not, my entire team quit because they all got cut in pay. And that is what these companies do. They limit you on your online marketing efforts and you just can't make money because they're telling you to do things you don't like to do. Like if you like to talk to friends and family and calling people and doing all these offline marketing methods, then so be it. You can do it. You can make money that way. But I wanted to be an online marketer. I'm an introverted person. I wanted to be able to make money online and have the freedom to do it. And that's what we're offering you in our company. We're offering you an ability to market on the internet any way you like and make money from it, right? So then you need live coaching. This is something I was missing big time when I first started. I remember the only thing that I had available was a conference call that I couldn't even come out on. It was literally just listen to conference calls, and I had no live coaching. In our company, we offer live coaching every Monday, and I do over the shoulders, and you can ask questions. You come on Zoom, and we're all there, and we're all there to help each other. So those are the tools and the systems you need to make this formula work. So if you have all of these, you can make $3,000 a month in the next 90 days because all you have to do is work the numbers. And that's how cool this system is if you want to make, like I said, if we go back to the mathematical formula, 25 sales to get to $3,000 a month in the program that we're going to offer you here on this page, you just divide that by 90 and you'll find out that you just need about 2 sales per week. 2 sales per week will get you to $3,000 a month in 90 days. So if you make less than that, 1 sale a week, then you'll get there a little bit longer. If you make 5 sales a week, you're going to get there faster. And that's what's cool about knowing your numbers, is just 25 total sales is going to get you to it's going to get you to $3,000 a month. And then from there, you just multiply it on whatever income goals you have. So that's how easy this formula is. So with that being said, here's part number 4. And this is where a lot of people miss. So now you have all the systems, you have the tools, you have everything that you need, right? Now you need to focus on 1 to 2 marketing methods. Most people leave this out. They just join and they think they're going to make money, right? You need to focus on 1 to 2 marketing methods and focus on them, learning them as well as implementing them, not just learning. The problem with a lot of people is they have this like This mindset of I'm just going to learn. The problem with learning, and this is a little bit maybe a different mindset shift, learning is losing money. Okay. Now it has the potential to make money, but learning is actually losing you money. Implementing what you learn makes you money. So I want you to remember that for the rest of your life. Learning loses you money. Just look at college. You lose money in college. But when you take that degree and you go get a job, now you're making money. Same with business. When you learn a marketing strategy, you are losing money. But when you implement that marketing strategy, you are making money. So you need to do a combination of both. You need to learn and implement. Learn and implement. Now you're making money. If you just learn, you will always be on the losing side of money. So super important concept to learn. And then here's 2 questions to ask yourself. Do you have a marketing budget, or do you need to market for free? Because if you don't have a marketing budget, then you have to use free methods. This is important to ask yourself. How much of your earnings do you plan to reinvest into marketing? So when you start making $3,000 a month, how much of that are you going to put back into marketing? Now, I know for me personally, I'm doing 20%. So as I'm making money, I'm taking 20% and I'm putting that back into marketing, right? And then in the beginning, what do you have? What kind of throwaway money do you have that you can start out with, right? To learn and to grow. And here's just some examples of some free methods that we teach people in our system. Is in the HBA Premium, which will be a part of the product you purchase down below, you're going to learn YouTube SEO. This is one of my favorite strategies that I've learned to generate leads on the internet, because these are people who see your video of you, who are searching for you, and they are buyers. These are buyer leads. So this is one of my favorite strategies. Also, social media direct messaging is another amazing strategy that I've used over the years. One of my first methods of making money online was through social media direct messaging. I would just direct message 2 people a day, and I would follow up with them throughout the week. I just did that every day. 2 people. And then all of a sudden I started recruiting people into the business that I was in at the time. And I taught my team how to do it, and we duplicated to 300 total team members in 60 days doing just social media direct messaging. We have training on how to do that inside of our system. Blogging is another popular method. Instagram, TikTok, SafeList, traffic exchanges, if done right. We have many team members who are doing those and getting results. Now, these are just some examples of free methods of marketing that you can do in your business if you'd like to implement any of those. Now, here's some examples of paid methods of marketing that you guys can implement, like any kind of pay-per-click marketing. YouTube, Google, Bing, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, they all offer different ways to pay for clicks. Now, the problem is most people don't know how to do those. So that's where a live coaching mastermind comes into play. That's where our HBA Premium live coaching comes into play. And we offer that in the product that you'll purchase today. Banner ads, those are just different banners you place on different websites, and email and solo ads, e-sign ads, things like that. That's basically someone who owns an email list and you're paying them to email their subscribers. The paid methods, this costs you money, but in the long run, it's actually one of those leveraged things. Like with free methods of marketing, a lot of the times you end up having to do all the marketing yourself. With paid marketing, you leverage your money to do the marketing for you, which is a very, very awesome skill to learn over once you start making money. So